Hello students, welcome to my Swami Academy channel. I am Professor Chaudhary. Today we will discuss the concept of control system and transfer function. So let's start. First is introduction of control system. What is a system? System means arrangement of a physical system to produce natural outputs. Example is a human being. Then next is a control system. Control system means arrangement of a physical system to produce desired outputs. Examples are speed control of DC motor, temperature speed control, then automatic traffic control systems, automatic hot water heater, and etc. Next is classification of control system. There are 15 types of control system: natural control system, man-made control system, combinational control system, time variant and time invariant control system, linear and non-linear control system, continuous and discrete time control system, deterministic and stochastic time control system, seesaw system, MIMO system, open loop system, and closed loop system. So next is open loop system. What is open loop system? In this system, the output is depend on input, but input does not depend on output. It's called open loop system. The advantage of these systems are simple construction, simple to design, and easy to maintenance. And the disadvantages of the system is this system is inaccurate and unreliable. Open loop systems cannot sense environment changes, and recalibration is required to maintain the quality and accuracy. Next is a closed loop system. What is a closed loop system? The input is depend on output. It's called closed loop system. There are two paths in closed loop system. One is forward path and second is feedback path. Feedback path is also called as a unity feedback, that is the edge is equal to 1. Advantage of the closed loop system: accuracy of the system is very high and bandwidth is also very high, and last one is a reduces the effect of non-linearities. Disadvantages of the closed loop system: the closed loop system are very complicated system, and these system are time consuming from design point of view, and closed loop system are less stable than open loop system, and last is reduces the overall gain of the system. Transfer function. Basically, transfer function is a complex domain, and it is a relation between input and output, and it is defined as the ratio of Laplace transformer of output to the Laplace transformer of input at the initial conditions are 0. The numerator part is Laplace transformer of output C of S, and denominator part is a Laplace transformer of input R of S. Why Laplace transformer is used in transfer function? The Laplace transformer reduces linear differential equation into algebraic equation, and this algebraic equation can be solved by algebraic rules. Then types of transfer function. There are two types: proper transfer function and improper transfer function. In proper transfer function, the order of denominator polynomial is greater than order of numerator polynomial, that is p is greater than z. Example, 1 upon s plus 2 into s plus 3. So multiply s into s square plus 2s plus 3s plus 6. In numerator, order of a numerator polynomial is a 0, and order of denominator polynomial is 2. So order of denominator polynomial is greater than order of numerator polynomial. It's called proper transfer function. Improper transfer function means order of numerator polynomial is greater than order of denominator polynomial, that is z is a greater than p. In this example, s square plus 1 upon s, order of numerator polynomial is a 2, and denominator is 1. So s square plus 1 greater than s is called improper transfer function. Next is properties of transfer function. There are 5 properties of transfer function. First is the transfer function of a system is the Laplace transformer of its impulse response for initial conditions. Laplace, that is Laplace transformer of del of t equal to 1. The transfer function is independent of the inputs to the system. Next is zeros and poles can be found out from transfer function. Then stability curve can be determined from characteristic equation, and the characteristic equation of the system is f of s equal to b naught into s raised to n plus b1 into s raised to n minus 1 plus b2 into s raised to n minus 2 plus up to bn. What is a characteristic equation? Characteristic equation obtained by denominator of a transfer function is equating to 0, whose roots are the poles of that transfer function is called characteristic of the system. Then advantages of transfer function: it converts time domain equation into simple algebraic equation. Then next is a transfer function is depend on a system, not an input. Then if transfer function is unknown, the output response can be calculated for any type of input. The next is poles and zeros can be determined. And last one is it helps in determining the stability of the system. And the only one disadvantage of the transfer function: the transfer function is only applicable for LTI system, linear time invariant system. So stay tuned with this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more information, follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Swami Academy. Thank you.